The Schumann resonance was always vibrating at 7.83. Now, human biology is definitely affected by the Schumann resonance. Your circadian, your cardiovascular system, the autonomous nervous system, your circadian rhythm, your immune function, DNA, and more. DNA and more. Going around down here, I'm going to always show this. Don't make a difference. Get mad at me all you want. Who cares? Leave my page. This is not for you. This is not for you. This is for the true people that really just like, yo, I don't want to cause problems. I just want to be able to be, I want to be able to be me. That's it. Hold on. Let me go down here. Wait a minute. I got to find this part right here. Nope. Here we go. Here we go. When the Schumann resonance spikes, human biology is affected. This is not a theory. This is not a fucking hypothesis. This is a fact. Human biology is affected, especially in our third eye, the pineal gland. According to neuroscience, frequencies recording of 36 hertz or more, 36 hertz or more in the human brain are more associated with stress nervous system than a relaxed and healthy one. And the human brain, because their brains are not fully developed. And the Schumann resonance.
So listen, people, I had to play this throwback video. I can't find my Schumann resonance video on YouTube. Like it disappeared. I don't know where it's at, but this is I did a better video than this. This was me doing this on a camera on live. I actually went live and broke this whole website down with the Schumann resonance, and they shut the website down. Okay, here we go. Human biofield. The human biofield is a theoretical energy field that's said to surround and permeates the body, integrating its functions and connecting it to its environment. It's also known as the energy field, bioenergy field, or living matrix. Human biofield. It's also known as the energy field, bioenergy field, or living matrix. You're living in a dream world, Neil. You're living in a world you're living in a prison that you can't see, taste, or smell. The biofield is thought to be made up of low-level electromagnetic activities that's vital for health. Now, let me make this very clear. As much as they say, oh, block out the sun, umbrellas, sunscreen, and all of this, that, and the third, you see how they throw in there how they say low-level electromagnetics activity that's vital for health? You couldn't live without the sun. And they can only biosynthesize, and they can't biosynthesize. They have a genocode that's called chloroplast in their DNA that allow them to synthesize the sun. We actually convert all electromagnetic wavelength frequencies, all levels, to energy. We convert it all. They can't do that. So the biofield, start up here again, it's also known as the energy field, bioenergy field, or living matrix. Star Seeds, I want you to really understand what I'll be saying in these videos about Earth is a test. This is a school. That's it. If you don't use your energy, aka mind consciousness, it's not about your physical ability. It's where your heart and mind is connected to. If you believe it, then you can manifest it. And what are we manifesting? Get at that bag and look at everything that's connected to the bag that we manifest, that bring to life, that is our direct destruction of us. Stop it. I'm always going to give you true food for your soul. I don't got time to be jabbing in the ring. I'm trying to get you out of there so we can move forward to the next one. The biofield is thought to be made up of low-level electromagnetic activities that's vital for health. Here's what to know about the biofield. Functions. The biofield is believed to connect the body's system and functions and link them to the environment's physical and energetic systems. Now think about what I was telling you or what I show you when it comes down to the magnetic field lines. How birds and how bees, how other animals surf and navigate the planet. First of all, how birds and bees and fly. For one, they flap their wings to create an electromagnetic energy to connect to the wavelength so that way that they can fly. Just so that you know that. But they also navigate throughout they use the field lines to navigate how to navigate this planet, how to leave their homes and get back to their homes. We didn't need these cell phones, GPS, and all this other bull crap. We didn't need cell phones and GPS. We already had that. Look at our hair. We have dimple antennas in the interior and the exterior of our brain. Our hair acts as an extension. This is how we navigate throughout the entirety of this planet. The biofield is believed to connect the body system, black body radiation. The biofield is believed to connect the body's system and functions and link them to the environment's physical and energetic systems. Stop it. Therapies. Let's get into this. Meditation, yes. The biofield is the basis for therapies like Reiki, Qigong, Tai Chi, EFT, I don't know what that is, and homeopathy. These are the things that are self-meditation. These are the things that we should be doing to heal ourselves. Tai Chi. Everybody heard of Tai Chi. Homeopathy. I don't know exactly what homeopathy is, but I would definitely look it up. I know it has to do with meditation. Matter of fact, I might do that during this video. Reiki. Come on. We understand these things already. But we use physical medicine that was created to break down and dim our energy. So now let's go into the scientific acceptance. When all these people on the planet, 99.9% of these people believe in a physical world and afraid of the metaphysical world. And that's where you came from first to get here. Scientific acceptance. Scientific acceptance. If it's not proven through science, then it's not true. Scientific acceptance. They already accepted this. They have been doing this and studying this for us for years. The National Library of Medicine recognizes biofield as a medical subject heading for peer review. Lectures, laboratory studies have correlated or readings, observations with measurable changes in electromagnetic signals from the person being read. Black body radiation. We have the perfect body to absorb all electromagnetic frequencies and emit all electromagnetic frequencies. Here we go. Now they want to tell you this here. Risk, biofield therapies, the meditation, the Tai Chi. Biofield therapies are non-invasive and have few potential risks. However, those receiving medical treatment should consult a healthcare professional. Medical treatment, because you sitting there taking in that medicine, now you want to go out in the earth and put your foot in the ground, you want to eat healthy, you want to eat right, you know what I'm saying? They don't want you to do that. Because first and foremost, remember the complex cell that tried to do that and they died? They need to eat the meat. They need to eat the meat. The protein enzymes that they need in order to maintain the structure of their cells, they need to eat the meat in the blood. We eat directly from the sun. Other names in different traditions. The biofield is also known as Twy, vital force, or prana. In different traditions, the biofield also known as chi, my apologies, vital force, or prana. Had to put my glasses on. So my people, I just want y'all to understand and understand how important you are anatomically. In this time that we are currently in, more important, our children. That's why they're going missing. Women and children are going missing at an alarming rate. More importantly, the female side of us are going missing at an alarming rate. And as long as we continue to beat our feet on the ground about the earth flat around, we were here first, or we should learn their laws. We got to learn their laws in order for them to stop killing us. In order for us to get our planet back, we need to learn this. We don't need to learn none of that shit. Look at this. Testing the human biofield. This is what you look like. Pause. Remember this right here. I'm just showing you. Human biofield. This is what you look like. In the government, military. That's why they say Surgeon General. The military is the head of the medical industry. Are you out your mind? Pause. Okay, here we go right here. When I be speaking about the human biofield and how you're connected to these magnetic field lines, teleporting, levitating, lifting megalithic structures, how you build things, how you move certain material from one side of the planet to the other side of the planet, and they trying to figure out how it got there. They don't know how it happened. Listen, let me say, here you go right here. Human biofield. Remember what I told you to look at? These are the magnetic field lines. And I want you to know something. These are all images right here, people. These are all pictures that they're showing. These are screenshots. And look at the date. August the 15th. This is the last 24 hours going into August the 16th. Look at the magnetic field lines. Look at how they've broken off. Look. And these are all screenshots. They're not even letting the video play in its entirety. These are screenshots. See, look at the count, look at the clock spinning at the top. You know how that should normally flow? These are screenshots. Screenshots. Let's go up here. Let's look at this. Let me look at this. Let me go over here. Last 24 hours. Let's go with, see what this says. Screenshots. Let me see. Did it turn over yet? Okay, here we go. Last 24 hours. Look, August the 16th. Look at the backside of the planet. Look at all that goddamn purple. Look at all that purple. Look at all that purple. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? These are screenshots. They're not even letting it play. That's how much energy hitting the planet. I ain't do this in a minute. The backside of the planet is lit. It's lit. But again, this was a human biofield video, but it's all connected. And again, my people, I told you, it's nothing that they can do. If you don't use your energy, someone else will use it for you. Earth is a school. This is a test for your consciousness, your black magic. Abundance and gratitude to you all.
Nearly 48 hours now, the Schumann resonance has held in a complete whiteout, an unbroken full-spectrum saturation, not pulsing, not fluctuating, just one overwhelming presence on the charts. And when people see this, they often think it means chaos or noise or instability. But what you're actually looking at is not sound, it's signal. It's a singular frequency tone, so strong, so sustained, that every lower rhythm, every natural oscillation has been overridden. This is not silence in the
Remember what it said? Low frequency, all of that is overwritten. It's nothing they can do. Upgrade, abundance and gratitude to all.